Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another brand new Red Dead Redemption 2 video on my channel. If you guys are going to enjoy this brand new Red Dead Redemption 2 video and GTA 5 online videos, make sure you definitely subscribe to my channel and definitely turn on post notifications to get notified on when I upload future online videos like this. Alright, so what you guys are going to want to do is get to about 10 or 12% story mode completion, and you're going to want to head into the city of Valentine. Okay, now once you get into this city of Valentine, you will go into the sheriff's office and there will be a bounty marker on the map. Now, if this is your first time going into the sheriff's office, you will be put into a cutscene and they will be having you hunt for a certain person. Now, this certain person will pay $50 for this bounty. Obviously, this is a higher bounty than you'll usually get. After this, your bounties will usually be $25, and $50 is a lot of money in this game. Okay, keep in mind that $50 back then was a lot of money. So when you guys go ahead and do this bounty, you will be receiving $50 at the end of the bounty. Okay, now let's just get straight into how this works. Now, once he sends you out, you will be looking for this guy. His name is Benedict Allwright, and he will be up on this cliffside. So just go ahead and look up on the cliffside where it points you, where it directs you. And basically what he's going to do is basically run from you, and you just got to catch him. It's kind of a bitch, but basically once you guys catch him, you're going to go ahead and make sure you catch him alive. Do not kill this guy. There is a way that you can kill him, and if you do kill him, you will not achieve the bounty, okay, the correct bounty. All right, now if you do kill him, I think you do get a little bit of money, but you will get the bounty, if the full $50 bounty, if you come and take him alive. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and pick him up and put him on our horse and then take him into the sheriff's office. And once we take him and put him on our horse, I recommend that before you guys put him on the horse, you go ahead and loot him, and make sure you guys definitely loot all the bodies before you turn them in. Also, if you are going to be killing a lot of people, if you're in places where you're killing a lot of people, you're going to want to go ahead and loot all those people as well. That is a great way to stack up your items, your loot, and your money. And those items that can be found on these people will give you a lot of money as well. Alright, so after you're done with this mission, you will go ahead and ask the sheriff, and he will give you a good stack of cash here, $50, and that is a great bit of money for one bounty. Another great way to make money in Red Dead Redemption Online is to go ahead and gamble. That is only if you're good, of course. Now, if you guys want to go ahead and try to go ahead and gamble, you guys must be good. If you don't want to go ahead and gamble, that's fine. But I suggest going ahead and gambling if you're good at gambling. So you can see there's a poker table right here behind me, and you guys can go ahead and play poker in this game. And if you guys are good at the poker game, you can go ahead and win at poker and make a lot of money gambling that way too. Okay, another great way to make money in Red Dead Redemption 2 online would be to just go ahead and hunt animals. Okay, you guys are just gonna go ahead and hunt animals and then get their skins and put them on your horse. Just go ahead and throw them on your horse and bring them in, and you can sell them for money as well. Okay, so you can pick plants and herbs, as you can see in the top left hand corner as well. That will always work for getting cash, and you can always use that stuff to craft items as well. So this stuff is good for getting your hunting challenges done and crafting items as well. So you're going to want to go ahead and hunt through your journey through Red Dead Redemption 2. Okay, so make sure you guys are hunting stuff as well. And always, you can run into random people in the game like this that want to start fights with you, and you can basically kill them or take their money and rob them for their stuff. Okay, just make sure that no one's looking when you do it, because you will get a bounty if that's the case. Okay, so as you can see, no one saw me do that, so I won't be getting a bounty this time. Alright guys, so yeah, you can always make sure that you guys are looting them, these bodies. Make sure that you guys are going ahead and playing the story mode missions, because that is a great way to get money as well. The story mode missions are one of the best ways to get money, and I'm going to show you guys a story mode mission in my next video that makes you about $300 very fast, and you guys are gonna get a brand new repeater from this mission, and it's an amazing video. Okay, so check that out in my next video. Make sure you guys definitely subscribe and stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys definitely hit those post notifications to get notified on when I upload future Red Dead Redemption 2 and GTA 5 and Red Dead Redemption 2 online videos like this. Alright, so this is your boy Celestial Gaming HD. I'm out of here, guys.